You want to ask for that promotion, but you're scared. You want to change your career and do what you really want to do, but fear holds you back. Did you know fear is the major reason for procrastination? In this video, I'm going to give you practical strategies to overcome fear of failure and take bold action towards your goals. So, this is how fear secretly controls you. You may not even be aware that it's fear. If you really want to work on that project, but you end up just cleaning the house, you're not lazy, you're afraid. Fear shows up as self doubt and overthinking. Instead of taking action, you keep waiting for the perfect moment and you keep doubting your every decision. Why? Because there is fear. What if this is a wrong decision? What if I fail at this? Fear keeps you stuck in your comfort zone. Our brain always loves familiarity and the comfort. So every time there is a new thing you want to do, the fear comes up trying to protect you and it keeps you in your comfort zone. Now, how to get rid of fear? Okay, you can't get rid of it. First of all, fear is not bad. Fear is just a survival mechanism. Our brain's job is to protect us, not make us happy. So this fear is just trying to protect you. We need to acknowledge this fear instead of just shooing it away. This understanding that this fear is there for a reason, it's just trying to protect me, but actually I'm not in danger. This fear is imagined. The awareness that this is trying to protect me, but this is imagined goes a long way. So here are 5 strategies to handle fear in real time so that you can take action. First, catch yourself. Sometimes you might be giving yourself reasons that I don't have time, I'll do it when I feel better, I'll do it when the summer is over. Catch yourself and ask whether that's the real reason or is it fear? Because until you become aware of the fear and acknowledge it, you might keep fooling yourself that there is another reason for procrastination and you might be looking for a solution in the wrong place. Make it less scary. If you want to start a side hustle and every time you think about it, there is this huge fear and anxiety comes up, I don't have time, what if I fail? What will happen? All these things, break it down into steps. Shift the focus from the result, whether you'll succeed or fail, to the process. What is that first 2 steps that you need to take? Take tiny action every day and focus on the action only. Celebrate your every action. If you just made a website, celebrate yourself for it. If you just decided which social media platform do you want to use, make a celebration for that. Do it just to break the fear. For a moment, keep everything else aside and think about how would it feel to feel confident in yourself? How would it feel to take control of that fear? I remember that feeling when I had to give a presentation for the first time, but I was so scared, and when I stood on the stage, my legs were literally shivering. But then once I finished it, the feeling is incredible. It's like I have conquered the world, right? I'm sure you must have had such experiences where you had to do something you were scared of, and once you finished it, that confidence it gives you, nothing else can match that. So whatever you're scared of, just take a small step towards it. If not for anything else, just to break that fear. It's like ripping off the band-aid. Just go ahead and do it and see how that makes you feel. Heal your nervous system. The reason every new task makes you scared is that your nervous system is stuck in survival mode. It doesn't feel safe regularly. It's just sensing threat in every step. You feel the symptoms in your body. So start healing your nervous system, start regulating your nervous system to bring the safety into your body. We are going to do a lot of nervous system regulation and subconscious rewiring inside my new 6-month group coaching program, Quantum Confidence. In 6 months, you will feel confident, you will heal your self-worth, break your fear, and truly become that 2.0 version of yourself. If you're ready to do this, join Quantum Confidence. Link is in the description. And finally, do deeper inner work. Everything you see, the fear of failure, fear of judgment, all these are surface level symptoms. There is a deeper reason why are you scared of all this. If I ask you today, what's the worst thing that would happen if you fail? You would tell me probably nothing. But then why are you scared? It is in the core connected to your self-worth and how you see yourself. After every failure, what do you tell yourself? Do you attach that failure to your capability? Do you tell yourself, I'm not good enough, I can never do this, I will never succeed? Do you see yourself unworthy of success? That is the real reason you are afraid and you are unable to take action. All the symptoms you see are from your conscious mind, but there are subconscious blocks that are leading to this fear of failure. So go deeper, do the subconscious rewiring and nervous system work. to rewire your confidence, remove this fear from the root. That's exactly what we are doing inside Quantum Confidence, using a lot of tools including Reiki and other healing modalities. If this calls for you, then link is in the description. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what kind of fear holds you back, and I will see you in the next one.